Hello and welcome to Here by Nature. It's been a while and a lot of life has happened. I wanted to take this video to sort of update everybody on some changes that are going to be happening to the channel. It's still going to be vlog-esque, but it's going to have a more heavenly focus with gardening and maybe some DIY sprinkled in the midst as well. For a quick life update, we were blessed to keep the house. Honestly, it's kind of surreal looking back on everything. My husband and I are still together and happy. Our pups and kitten are doing well. Some things broke in the moves, out and back in. But all in all, the important things are still here. In this video, I'm actually starting a project I've wanted to build for a while. New garden beds. One of our neighbors actually gave us their old fence wood when they rebuilt theirs, and this garden will be the new foundation of this channel. My goal is to have this be a sort of devotional, and to get you guys, the viewers, into this as well, please use the hashtag gardeningwithgod. I will be adding it to all uploads moving forward. Now, by no means will this be the Pinterest-worthy, picture-perfect garden. And it will be a little lower than I originally envisioned. It's only going to be 1 board tall, but this is the first year with it. As I learn from the garden, we will grow and expand together. I'd like to add a trellis and some arches. It's definitely going to need a few supports in places. Kind of like me. Over this last year, God really showed me a lot and reminded me about His plan for my life. I went through what I had to so that I could help others in His name. I could never do anything near His magnitude alone. The world had its grips on me, and while I still have depression and need my meds, nor am I advocating any medical advice here, but I am happier. This year, I read the Bible cover to cover and did a Bible study as well, which I'll add in the description to help guide me. The Lord sent me to numerous churches locally and another about 30 or so minutes away. One church healed my soul. One church taught me to be careful. Another church reminded me what I was searching for. And although I'm still looking for a good local church, my relationship with God is restored. He spoke to me through others at the church that healed me. And if you guys are curious about my experiences visiting these different churches in detail, please comment down below. If there's an interest there, I'll definitely make it. I hang this here. Right now I'm still working on this. I've got like 2 more to do. Life typically does not go the way you plan. One thing my mother would always say is, you make plans and God laughs. He must be in hysterics with me right now. The people who know me know I am a planner. I mean, I have a planner and I adore it, but I am the planner. I had a plan of my life after high school. College, job, marriage, house, kids, and then happily ever after. Well, so far, my life is college, job, house, marriage, mental health struggles, nearly lose our house, rekindle a relationship with God, and here we are. Of course, that is a very boiled down version of events. Life is full of ups and downs, high highs and low lows. It's thanks to God's miracles I am still here to tell this story, and I can only hope I tell it in a way He is proud of. This year, He taught me what is really important in life, what He gave us life for. Spoilers, it is not found where I was looking. Originally, He gave man a garden. This is no accident I found His word, leading me back to one. He gave man a partner because we are not meant to be alone. For those still here, thank you. If you want to join me on this adventure, please consider subscribing. This will be a trial and error until I find a good mix of what works. And if you want to help me out with that, let me know down in the comments. And once again, thank you.